Peafowl. Life cycle, species diversity, and symbolic majesty. General introduction to peafowl. Peafowls are among the most beautiful and symbolic birds on Earth, known not only for their majestic plumage but also for their deep cultural significance. Scientifically belonging to the family Phasianidae, peafowls are ground-dwelling birds that boast incredible iridescent feathers, especially the males, who are widely admired for their extravagant tail displays. The most widely known species is the Indian peafowl, Pavo cristatus. Easily recognized by its blue and green plumage and elaborate train of tail feathers. Often referred to as a fan. Native to South Asia, these birds have long been associated with regality, divinity, and immortality in various cultures. Peafowls inhabit a wide range of environments, including forests, grasslands, and agricultural areas, adapting well to human presence in many regions. Their calls are loud and can carry for kilometers, often used for communication, courtship, and territory marking. Despite their beauty and cultural importance, peafowls face challenges from habitat loss, poaching, and environmental changes, making it essential to understand and protect their species. The species of peafowl. There are three main recognized species of peafowl. Indian peafowl, Pavo cristatus. This species is native to the Indian subcontinent and is the most familiar to the world. Males are known as peacocks, while females are peahens. The males have brilliant blue and green plumage and a spectacular tail fan adorned with eye-like patterns. Indian peafowls are often found in parks, temples, and rural areas across India and Sri Lanka. Green peafowl, Pavo muticus. The green peafowl ranges from Myanmar and Thailand through Vietnam to Java. They have a more metallic green appearance and are less flamboyant in their train structure but are equally mesmerizing. Unlike Indian peafowl, both males and females of this species exhibit similar coloration, although the males still have longer trains. Congo peafowl, Afropavo congensis. This rare and lesser-known species is native to the Congo Basin in Central Africa. Unlike its Asian relatives, the Congo peafowl is smaller and has more subdued coloration with a mix of blue, green, and chestnut. Its behavior and biology remain less understood due to its secretive nature and limited range. Life cycle and growth of peafowl. Mating and courtship. The peacock's mating ritual is a spectacular display. During the breeding season, males fan out their tail feathers, vibrating them slightly to create a rustling sound, and perform elaborate dances while emitting a series of loud calls. This performance is aimed at attracting peahens. Females typically choose mates based on the size and symmetry of the eye spots on the male's tail and the vibrancy of his plumage, which are indicators of genetic health. Egg laying and hatching. Once mating is successful, the peahen lays between 3 to 8 eggs in a shallow ground nest. The incubation period lasts around 27 to 30 days. The mother remains close to protect the eggs from predators. Chick development. After hatching, peachicks are precocial. They are born with feathers and are able to walk shortly after birth. The mother leads them to forage for insects, seeds, and small reptiles. At around 6 months, young males begin to show the early signs of tail growth. Maturation. Peacocks reach full maturity, including a complete tail fan, around the age of 3. Peahens may reproduce as early as 2 years old. In the wild, peafowls can live up to 15 to 20 years. While in captivity, they may live even longer under optimal conditions. Behavior and daily life. Peafowls are diurnal birds, active during the day and resting at night. They typically roost in tall trees to avoid predators. Though primarily terrestrial, they are capable flyers over short distances. Diet. Peafowls are omnivores. Their diet includes grains, seeds, insects, small mammals, reptiles, and even small snakes. In agricultural areas, they may forage in crop fields, leading to occasional conflict with farmers. Social structure. Indian peafowls often live in loose groups with one dominant male surrounded by several females. Outside of the breeding season, they may be seen in single-sex flocks or alone. Vocalization. Peafowls are known for their piercing, often repetitive calls. These vocalizations serve multiple functions: warning of danger, attracting mates, and establishing territory. Seasonal changes. During the monsoon, in their native habitats, breeding activities peak. Tail displays are most vibrant during this time. Outside the breeding season, males may molt their trains, reducing their visibility to predators. Habitat and environmental influence. Peafowls prefer open forest edges, farmland, scrubland, and grasslands, though they adapt remarkably well to semi-urban areas. Natural habitats. Indian peafowls, dry deciduous forests. Semi-arid regions. Green peafowls, dense tropical forests and riverine areas. Congo peafowls, rainforests and dense jungle undergrowth. Environmental pressures. Urban development, deforestation, and agricultural expansion reduce peafowl habitats. Climate change also disrupts breeding patterns and food availability. Human impact. Despite cultural reverence, hunting for meat and feathers persists in some regions. Unregulated tourism, habitat encroachment, and pesticide use threaten local populations. Cultural, religious, and national significance. In India, the Indian peafowl is the national bird of India, declared in 1963 for its rich symbolism in Indian heritage. It is sacred in Hinduism, associated with Krishna, who wears peacock feathers; Saraswati, goddess of wisdom, often depicted riding a peacock; Kartikeya, god of war, whose mount is a peacock. Peafowls also appear in Indian folklore, art, poetry, and classical dance. In China, peacocks symbolize beauty, dignity, rank, and prosperity. In ancient times, only high-ranking officials could use peacock feathers on hats or clothing. The bird is also associated with the mythical phoenix in Chinese mythology. In Western cultures, in Greek and Roman mythology, the peacock is sacred to Hera, Juno, the queen of the gods. Its many eyes are said to represent Argus, a giant with 100 eyes. In Christianity, the peacock became a symbol of resurrection and immortality due to the belief that its flesh did not decay. In Southeast Asia, the green peafowl is revered in Myanmar, Thailand, and Vietnam, often appearing in royal iconography. In Burma, it symbolizes national pride and was once used on currency and flags. Conservation and threats. Status. Indian peafowl. Least concern. IUCN. Green peafowl. Endangered due to habitat loss and poaching. Congo peafowl. Vulnerable. Limited data available. Threats. Habitat destruction from agriculture, logging, and development. Illegal hunting for meat and feathers. Human-wildlife conflict in farming areas. Climate change and pesticide contamination. Conservation efforts. India has strict protection laws under the Wildlife Protection Act. Captive breeding programs for green peafowl. Awareness campaigns in rural communities. Research on peafowl behavior to support habitat restoration. Organizations like WWF, BirdLife International, and local conservation groups are working to monitor populations and promote sustainable coexistence. Conclusion. The importance of protecting peafowl. Peafowls are more than just birds of beauty. They are ecological players in their environments. Seed dispersers, pest controllers, and cultural emblems of grace, wisdom, and immortality. Protecting them means protecting the ecosystems they live in and the cultural heritage they represent. Every individual can contribute, through education, advocacy, and respectful tourism, to the conservation of these magnificent creatures. If we fail to act, we risk silencing one of nature's most iconic and vibrant voices. But if we succeed, we preserve a symbol of our planet's diversity, spirit, and timeless elegance.